Are you eating macaroni? You made a mess. Oh goodness. Bless you. Finger looking good, huh? Gonna lick the other fingers off too? You got some more on your plate. Pick it up. There you go. Big boy. Did it make it in? A little bit? Okay. Yum, yum. It's gonna be bath time after this, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. Because you are absolutely filthy. Yeah? What did you do today? You whined a lot today? Yeah. Did you play peekaboo? No? You didn't play peekaboo today? Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.